This is the final stop, International Terminal 3.
Look at the
Please
right there.
leave the train.
I hear the phone.
Passenger.
Terminal station. I hear the phone. I hear the phone right there. I terminal 3 stations. Look at this. I'm going right near just now.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Terminal 3 right there. It's crazy right there. 133.
I know.
Alright, we got the next one. I hear the time here today. Here at 9 months. Look at this. One was a March. It's in February. What was excuse for the last one? What was the yes, guys? Oh yeah. Now we get this one right here. Right here. Get the right in the trains, guys. I hear the times. Alright. Wait in the trains. C801B. I share the time, yes, at the terminal 3. This is Army's updates college. Was late, so I still get the time. I share the pump, I guess. Oh yeah. You can don't press the pump. I can. Don't press the pump.
The train bound for Westwood Interchange Station. Parking facility. Attention arriving. The train. Please stand back from the doors. Please do not board the train.
Alright,
For trains to other airport terminals and Westwood Interchange Station, please proceed to the
This train serves Domestic Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal, International Terminal 1, and Eston Interchange Station, parking facility.
This is the final stop.
Next
International
stop,
Terminal
Domestic
1.
Terminal 2
Please
and Budget Terminal.
Passengers going to other airport terminals and Eston Interchange Station, please board a train on the opposite platform.
This door's so really sick. Oh my god, look at this doors.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Look at this doors.
Please hold on. We are leaving the station.
Wow, look at this doors. I hear the doors. Oh my goodness. Oh, see you guys on the most for the very first on the escorts for the last one. Want to be there? See you guys on March.